Hello, friends. Today I am sharing one of the ways that we use digital tools as a family, and that's to do our Christmas meal planning, even though we all live in different places. We've been doing this for the past few years now, and honestly, it's one of my favorite traditions, and it lives in a very simple Google Doc. So let me show you what we do. So every year, me, my mom, my sister-in-law, and my two nieces, we all collaborate together on this spreadsheet, except my thing's not working here. Here we go. All right, we're back in business. So we are spread out across different cities and states, but this shared document here makes it really easy for us to plan Christmas dinner. So we actually celebrate on Christmas Eve, but neither here nor there. Usually when we're together in the fall, I'm usually back with them all in the fall at some point or around Thanksgiving. We'll get together and we will talk about the theme. So this year I was back in Wisconsin in October. We were all together. And originally we were going to do Christmas on a stick, meaning different skewered, XYZ, fill in the blank, but we refined it down to Merry Little Christmas. So mini everything, mini quiches, mini meatballs, mini cream puffs, whatever. And we're also going to do Christmas movie themed outfits for each of the family units. In past years, we've done Feliz Navidad, so kind of like a Latin American fusion type theme, and then we would do, different outfits around the Feliz Navidad theme. And then Asian fusion was the first one, and we did matching PJs. But I digress. Anyways, after we pick the theme, then we map out who is going to bring what. So last year we broke it down by the individuals. I removed the names. But anyways, we kind of broke it down by the individuals. Some years, like this year, we're going to do it a little different, and we're going to break it down by mains, appetizers, sides, desserts, and drinks or beverages. You can do it however you want or whatever makes sense, but either way, as long as you have it on here, there's a list, you know who's bringing what, that's what makes it really helpful. The other thing that we like about using the Google document is that you don't have to have like texts, a million different text message groups and emails back and forth, right? You can make comments on the document itself. So you can make a comment. Let's say I want to highlight the Mexican hot chocolate. There we go. You can add the plus comment here. And, this looks amazing, right? And then make a little beep, beep. So you can, or, Mom, can you bring, your special chocolate? Similarly, you can also, we make notations. We have quite a few allergies throughout the family. So we list allergies here at the bottom. And then for all of the different dishes, if there's any sort of allergy to be mindful of, we highlight that, which is nice to do as well. And then we also, if you've noticed, we use the same document every year, so you can kind of look back and see what did we do, in 2023 or 2022. I didn't go that far back on here, but it's really nice. It's kind of like a little bit of a digital scrapbook of holiday food. So it's fun to look back and talk about. So this works really well. Like I said, everyone can contribute on their own time, and there's no confusion about who's bringing what. It's all listed out right here. We get to reflect and, celebrate about the past years and look at who did what, and wasn't that fun? And it also brings a sense of, shared planning and excitement. So my mom used to do all the planning, all the cooking, all the prep work, but as we got older, we realized, we wanted to have it more of a shared experience. And similarly, we had done the same traditional meal and dishes for the last 20 plus years, ever since, I was a kid and can remember anything. So we just decided one year we wanted to start switching it up. The Thanksgiving stayed the same, but we wanted to do something different and fun for Christmas. So this is where we landed. And if you love this idea, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about what you do with your family for holiday planning. So there's so many ways to do it, but this is the one we have landed on that we love. Anyways, happy holidays. I hope whatever you celebrate, it is wonderful and joy-filled, and that you have a wonderful holiday season. Happy organizing, my friends.